Hello students, my name is Surya Prakash Pandey and today we discuss some important concept of permutation and combination. Namely, we discuss exponent of a prime number p present in n factorial. So let p be a prime number and n be any positive integer. Then maximum power of p present in n factorial is given by e sub p n factorial. This is exponent of p in n factorial and this is equal to n over p plus n over p square plus n over p cube plus n over p raised to the power 4 plus dot 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 till n over p raised to the power s. Remember, p raised to the power s should be less than or equals to n and n is strictly less than p raised to the power s plus 1. Here this square bracket represent greatest integer function and greatest integer of x is basically greatest integer that is less than or equals to x. For example, greatest integer, suppose we want to find greatest integer of 1.8, so you can see 1.8 lies somewhere between 1 and 2. So there are so many integers that are less than 1.8. Out of those integer, 1 is greatest. So value of greatest integer of 1.8 is 1. Simply greatest integer value of 2.1 is 2 because 2 is the greatest integer that is less than 2.1. Let us solve a couple of questions in order to understand this simple concept. Suppose we want to find number of 0 at the end of 60 factorial. So remember, in order to find number of zeros, basically we find exponent of 5. Because when exponent of 5 multiply by exponent of 2, it produces number of zeros. In general, exponent of 5 is less than exponent of 2. So whatever is exponent of 5 is basically exponent of 10 also. So let us find exponent of 5 first. So exponent of 5 present in 60 factorial is 60 over 5 plus 60 over 5 square. 5 cube is more than 60, so that is irrelevant. 60 over 5 is simply 12 and 60 over 25 is 2 point something. So we remove decimal part because this is greatest integer function, so we simply write 2. So this is 14. Now, so basically exponent of 5 present in 60 factorial is 14. So basically number of zeros is also 14. However, we can also find exponent of 2 here. Exponent of 2 present in 60 factorial is simply 60 over 2 plus 60 over 2 square plus 60 over 2 cube plus 60 over 2 raised to the power 4 plus 60 over 2 raised to the power 5. We do not add any more term because 2 raised to the power 6 is more than 60. Now 60 over 2 is 30. 60 over 4 is 15. 60 over 8 is basically 7 point something, so we simply write 7. Now 60 over 16 is basically 3. 60 over 32 is 1. So let us add all this. 1 plus 15 is 16. 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 plus 30 is 56. So basically exponent of 2 present in 60 factorial is 56. Now number of 0 is basically 14 because suppose we have a number like 2 raised to the power 56 into 5 raised to the power 14. So only 14 pair, only 14 times we can able to multiply 2 and 5 and hence get 0. So this is 10 raised to the power 14 into some number. So basically number of 0 is 14. You can write a simple formula here. Number of zeros is simply minimum of exponent of 5 and 2, and every time exponent of 5 is less than exponent of 2. So minimum of 14 and 56. So this is 14. So number of 0 in 60 factorial is 14. Let us see one more question. Suppose we want to find exponent of 2 in 50 factorial and also interested to find exponent of 12 in 50 factorial. So first we find exponent of 2 in 50 factorial. So 50 over 2, 50 over 2 square, 50 over 2 cube plus 50 over 2 raised to the power 4 plus 50 over 2 raised to the power 5. No need to write any more term because 2 raised to the power 6 is 64, which is more than 50. Now 50 by 2 is 25. 50 by 4 is 12 point something, so again simply write 12. This is 6, 3, 1. Now add all this. So this is 10. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 25 is 25 plus 22 is 47. So exponent of 2 is 47. Now we can find exponent of 3. However, if we interested to find exponent of 4 also, so this is nothing but greatest integer of 47 by 2, because 4 is 2 square. So this is 23. Now let us find exponent of 3 in 50 factorial. This is 50 by 3, 50 by 3 square plus 50 by 3 cube. Fifty by 3 is 16. 50 by 9 is 5. 50 by 27 is 1. So simply add all this. So 16 plus 6 is 22. So exponent of 3 present in 50 factorial is 22. Now exponent of 12 present in 50 factorial is basically minimum of these two numbers. Or if we multiply 22 pair are able to match up, so basically minimum of 22 and 23. So this is 22. So exponent of 12 present in 50 factorial is 22. Hopefully you guys are able to understand this simple concept. However, if there is any problem, let me know in the comment section. Please do share this informative video amongst everyone, and also subscribe this channel because I am going to make more videos in upcoming days. Thank you.